Good day, everyone, and look what we did today. So, we are in Toyota, one of the best cars in the world, and this is my mom's favorite car, and there's a lot of cars in here. And this is my least favorite car, but it's a bit amazing. What I don't like is they are slow because you put only like a lot of stuff in the back and then it makes the truck slow. And the most important thing is there's locks. And look what is inside today. It is wood. And you can sit down, and inside the truck you can put like a tons of stuff. And look at it, it's awesome. And then when you lock it, it's pretty easy. Hey mom, what are you doing? Put it out. Okay, good. And then now we went to the cemetery, and I can still play the playground because I'm 9 years old. It's only 8 to 12 years old, so it's pretty fun. Look at me, just sitting down, and look at me, just doing hardcore parkour. And then I just keep on running until I get to the big slide. Look at me, I'm just going faster because I'm slow. Look at me, just going up, running up there because I gotta go fast. And I just guessed where do I go, and I just go there. Look at me. And then look at me, I'm just sitting there. And mama and my grandma just gave me some groceries. Some sort of. And there's a taxi that I almost got in an accident. I just brought my shuriken. Look at me, just throwing my shuriken. And my shuriken just fell there. And look at me, it's my mom. And that's me. And today, we just met the other people. And then we had some flowers, and I just asked something crazy. I don't know what's that. And then we met Ate Tita Gracie. And we met Lolo and Lola. And then look at ours. So this is my grandma in there. And I just put some flowers over there. And that was a good fun day. I just wanna play with my shuriken or boomerang. And I just climbed at the top of the tree on my first day. And then look at me, I was scared about how do I go down. Because it's a big tree. And then look, that's my mom sitting down. And look, these are the people who have died in our family. And look at me just running away. And it's just me and a tricycle. And then we just went to Gaisano. And we are having so much fun things in here. Look at me, almost got a car accident. And then I was wrong. I gotta go in the right one. And then look at me, just eating there. I'm just going to Jollibee, just have a relaxing food day. Look, I'm just going up there with my grandma, going to the entrance, buy some Jollibee. And look, I was like feeling sad about how my grandma just lost my money. And then it was very hot, and I just did an accident. Look at me, got a chicken sandwich. I got a chicken sandwich, and my mom got one. It was pretty good, right? Got some fries, and then I just ate some. I just watched YouTube, but then I realized I don't have any mobile data, so I'm just gonna watch my downloads. And then look, just having a good day and having my break. Look at me, I'm in Toyota, and I just missed teacher Eva that I said something to her. So after the Toyota. And then there's Ethan. Look, he's very small, a crybaby sometimes. And then just sit down. His secret is he's mad always. And just me. Look at me. And then we are going into the road. And then I don't know what is Ethan doing. And then this is what he's doing. Ethan's just sitting down on my shoulder. I'm just having good times. And then I was pretty tired, so I just want to take a rest with Ethan. And this is my grandma's car, which is pretty amazing, from Toyota. And we're eating MC Donald's. Look at my Ethan. He's crazy. Some sort of. And this is Ethan. He is very cute. And look at him. A big cheeks. He is always crying. He was shouting in there. And I think that's no, not yet. And then look at him. He's just feeding himself. Like, it's his first time feeding himself. Look at him. He's good. I think that's all of it. I think I have to say goodbye. And thank you for liking and subscribing this channel. I hope I'll see you next time. Goodbye.